Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for traveling packages in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the packages button. So first you have to select what combination you want to search for. So hotel plus flight, flight plus car. And then just select the departure airport or city. And then the destination, and then you have to select the flight dates, so the end and the start, and then you have to set the number of travelers, and then just click on the search bar, and it usually takes a couple of seconds, but the application is searching for the best options. And as you can see, these are the bundles that you can have. So if you're interested in any of them, then just search for it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.